All right, hey everyone, we're here at EOS with Rüdiger.
Hello.
And what are you guys presenting at the show this year?
Yeah, here at EOS we are presenting mainly integrations as well than the software. So let's have a look at our program. So it's EOS Print for the data preparation, and we have a nice user interface. That's great, and we can work here very effectively, very intuitive. But at the end, what customers really want is they don't want to work with our software user interface. They want to work with their CAD program or with their CAD system in one single solution. And this is something what we offer with our open software architecture. We have an API that other CAD vendors or software vendors can integrate the software. Yeah? Let's have a look into, for example, Seimens NX. So this Seimens NX is a very popular CAD program, especially for customers who work in the AM industry. So what we have done here is that we integrated EOS Print into Seimens NX. So it's a seamless integration. We can see as well here the vectors, the laser paths, the exposure lines, what we can see here. So it's the same thing what we can do in EOS Print. So but with another user interface, fully integrated. And this is, I think, that's what customer wants. And let me show another example, I think. So let's go into NetFabb, Autodesk NetFabb. Another product, another user interface. We also see, okay, there is an EOS integration. We can directly print to machines here. So, and the important factor is that we can choose the material sets, the parameters, what the customer created, and this is something what is completely integrated.
And so, is this an integration thing? Is this a trend that you're seeing here at the show?
This is definitely a trend, and I think so. One of the big things we show here at the booth is automation, so automated processes. And then that's why people want to work with Siemens processes from CAD to print. Dyndrite, we talked already with you. You want to use our API as well, and I'm really happy that you're doing that. So
definitely.
we expect end of the year an integration into Dyndrite so that customers can have a seamless process as well, creating a geometry in Dyndrite and then printing directly on EOS machines. And this is exactly what people want, and we are presenting this year. We have many other integrations in our pipeline, and that's, I think, a big step forward in comparison to last year's here on Formnext.
Yeah, and we're excited to work with you as well. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
To chat with you today.
Okay.